2007 Nissan Maxima SE air filter change. First, we will pop the hood. Hood is popped. Second, we'll open the hood by moving that lever to the left and then opening the hood. No stand for the hood as they have the hydraulic pops. Air filter is here, so we will take off the air filter. I will unscrew this, unclip that, unclip this, and the air filter should come right out. And the clamp to the air intake, and then the clip here, and then the clip here. The air box came right up, and I was able to take the air filter out. I'll be replacing it with this one. Okay, so this is a K&N filter, and this one is just a generic filter that was replaced. Let's see. It's kind of dirty. I'll still keep it. I'm going to keep it. I'll air it out. I have an air tool, so I'll salvage it. And then also would be a good time to clean this out as well. Mine's not too bad. I'll wipe it and clean the extra debris and then put the filter in. Screwed in for the air intake clamp and clip. This clip broke, but it's still tight. And the filter you would want to put face down. Like that. And the filter change is complete.